Hey guys, today we're going to replace the air filter on this 2008 Chevy Impala with the 3.5 liter V6 engine. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? Really helps out a lot. First, pop your hood. Next, we're going to unplug this clip right here. So first, just pry up on this gray piece, then push in on this black tab right here with your thumb, wiggle and lift. Now we're going to take an 8mm socket or a flathead screwdriver and loosen this hose clamp right here. Now we are going to undo these clips right here. And then we are going to push this rubber boot back and slip it off from this piece here, and we'll be able to lift this piece right out. These tabs right here go down into these slots, and you might have to wiggle and tug a little bit to get it out. But once that's out of the way, you can take your old air filter here. You can see a mouse has been doing some work on this one. And then we can take our new air filter. I will have one of these linked down below where you can get one of these online. But we are just going to place it right back in here, just like that. And then we will start putting things back together the way we took them apart. Just put these tabs right down in here and then start putting it back together. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.